So I hope you're doing well, my friend. Samvedi, nice to see you. Hane, Narwan, welcome. Nice to see you guys. Lester says, what are we building today? Whatever you want, my friend. Whatever you want. It's still good to see you. Let me know how you're doing. It's been a while. And remind me if I got that right. I think you're from Nigeria. My second favorite Lester is in the chat, guys. Is it Mona Lisa, Mona L Isa? Ha ha ha. I get it. Okay, guys, we have Mona Lisa in the chat. Marcus, nice to see you. Ali 147, welcome. Hashemi, I think you've been here before. Oh my god. Is it Kautar? We're gonna say Kautar. I'm gonna try this name. El As El Asasi? El Asasi? El Asasi Kautar? Is that your name, Kautar El Asasi? I think that is. Let me know if I got that right, Kautar. Let me know. New found me? Okay. Okay, found me. I guess we found you. Welcome, Mohammed. Nice to see you. Is it Salma? Salma, nice to see you. 781. Astro of Nigeria. What a name. Astro of Nigeria. Welcome. Hope you're doing well. Okay, Stephen X has a question. Stephen X, I think it's your first time here. Welcome. Stephen X says, for someone trying to go from software engineer to AI engineer, is it still worth getting a solid software engineer foundation first, or should I skip straight to building with LLM and agents? The second option, Stephen. Go straight to prompting. Go straight to prompting and developing as many projects as you can on your own. Absolutely. Those fundamentals, those foundations that you would learn in a like in a formal software engineering or CS curriculum, they don't matter, right? AI can do them for you in minutes. Like AI could probably do all the fundamentals for any project that you want to do. They could probably do it in less time than what it takes you to sign up for one of these courses at a college. Like that's how quick it is, right? So yeah, you should jump straight to prompting. Straight to prompting, understand how to orchestrate all of the different tools, all of the different environments that are available. I would go straight to that. Straight to it. Don't even bother with anything else. It would just be like, basically kind of like a waste of time, right? So that's what I would tell you, Stephen. So I completely get that is like